Hey, it's Cyrus, and welcome to this meditation to learn how to love and accept everything without trying. Acceptance is like the gateway to love, so if we can learn how to accept things without changing them, love will arise naturally, and we're going to experience that in this session, so it won't be a concept, it'll be something you feel and embody by the end of the session. So go ahead and get comfortable, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Relax your muscles on the way out. And take one even deeper breath and hold it at the top. And as you hold the breath, feel the body head to toe for a moment. And super slowly release it out through the mouth like you're blowing out through a straw. And relax your muscles even deeper. And be aware of yourself right now. Notice what you notice about yourself. Notice maybe there's parts of you you like and accept, or parts of you that you don't, and just notice that without judgment for a moment. You're human, so you're imperfect, and that's just part of the deal, and that's okay. So just notice in this moment that you can accept the fact that there may be certain things you can't accept right now about yourself. And just notice that there might be some aspects of yourself that you don't particularly like or want to be the way they are right now, and just notice as an experiment what it feels like to accept them without trying to change them, just for this moment. Just noticing how it feels in your body to accept that in this moment as an experiment. Maybe a little more spacious, maybe easier to breathe, maybe not. We'll see, we're sticking with it. So just notice how you can extend that to yourself as a whole in this moment. You can choose to accept yourself as a whole in this moment without trying to change yourself as an experiment, even the parts of you that don't want to accept yourself. Just showering yourself in that acceptance on a meta level in this moment. And notice how you don't have to try. You can just accept what you can and accept that you can't accept what you can't. Don't try. Just hold yourself lightly in that space and feeling of effortless acceptance. And now extend that to the people in your life. Hold a couple of the people in your life that you feel good about overall in your mind. And just see the aspects that you don't particularly like about them. And just practice in this moment accepting them even with those aspects of themselves without trying to change them as an experiment within yourself in this moment. notice how it feels in your body. What reaction does your energy field have to allowing them to be exactly as they are, not trying to change them, help them, make anything different? And notice through the solid, fertile ground of this acceptance that you've extended yourself and those people in your life, you might start to feel a spontaneous, effortless love arise out of that ground. Allow that love to amplify, to thicken, to deepen, to become something that effortlessly saturates your perception and your feeling, your outward attention, as you allow any effortless love you notice to flow with ease. And here's a challenge for you. See if you can call someone to mind that doesn't really trigger you like crazy, but that you don't particularly like, who just rubs you the wrong way. And just notice your initial physical reaction to this person entering the mind's eye without judgment. And just start to notice what happens if you experiment with accepting them exactly as they are without trying to change them. Not a sarcastic acceptance, not a reluctant acceptance, but instead a genuine experimental acceptance. Just noticing you're doing it within the safe space of your mind and choosing to explore what that feels like within your system if you wish for a moment now. And notice if any unconditional love starts to arise unexpectedly or spontaneously towards this individual. Maybe not, maybe so, but just see what starts to flow as you hold this space of deep acceptance. Notice how in this space of acceptance you have your space and energy, others have theirs, and you can respect and love and accept on a deep and effortless level from this spacious place of acceptance of how things are in this particular moment. And now begin to shift your attention to your life circumstances at this particular moment, which are not the way things were 10 years ago or 20 years ago, nor will things be the way they are now in 10 or 20 years from now. But in this moment, notice without judgment what is happening to happen now. Notice how there are aspects you don't like, perhaps that aren't according to your preference, and things that perhaps you do like or are deeply grateful for, and just hold the seeming contradiction of those aspects in the space of your awareness. And if there's some aspect of your life right now that you feel genuinely as though you can't accept, I invite you to notice what happens if you just accept the fact that you can't accept it right now. And the things that grind your gears but you're on the fence about, see if you genuinely can experiment with accepting them as they are right now without trying to change them in this particular moment. And now notice what happens if you experiment with unconditionally accepting your life the way it is right now. That doesn't mean you won't do anything to change it. It doesn't mean you'll get stuck in it. It just means you're bringing an aligned acceptance to how things are at this particular moment. Feel what happens within you as you experiment with that. And notice if a sense of love, gratitude, and beauty starts to spring spontaneously out of that space of genuine acceptance. I invite you to nurture and fertilize that with your attention. Allow that love and gratitude and beauty to grow, to expand as you focus on it, as you breathe and flow with it. And notice how in this space things are flowing, things change easily and fluidly on their own, usually effortlessly. So notice the seeming paradox that as you accept things, yourself, others, your life, without trying to change them, not only does love arise easily, but change and growth unfolds effortlessly on its own without even trying to make it happen. It's almost as if life is on your side. So enjoy that feeling of alignment flowing with you for the rest of the day. Steep yourself in that headspace consciously as you actively practice accepting and loving things without trying to change them. And come back to this practice until you have a knack for doing this all on your own completely effortlessly, if it feels good to you. Please feel free to leave a comment and let me know your experience and any reflections. I would love to hear your thoughts. Be sure to check out other tracks on the Emotional Explorations playlist for more like this, and I hope you have an incredible day.